we have to do first things. Open all car doors. Make sure all your car doors are open. Here's the canister. It has a spacer. Don't throw that away. Okay, we're going to remove this. This is the gauge. Okay, unscrew that. We don't need this just yet. We're going to take measurements to see what we have in the car already, as is. Okay, right as of now. Okay, turn your AC to full blast. AC on. Make sure it's at full blast. Like that. Okay. Not sure if you need to turn this one on too, but you may do that. Okay. Identify the low pressure port. This is the AC line. This is high pressure right there. That's the high pressure port. You don't need that one. That's the one you need. Just to screw that cap off. Okay. All right. And we're going to insert the gauge there without the canister on first. Okay. So we turn the car on. Full blast. AC is on full blast. Car doors open. Found the low pressure port. Going to insert the gauge. It cannot fit anywhere else but there, so you can't go wrong. If it doesn't fit, then it's yes, you must have quit. Okay, snap, and it fits fine. And let's look at the reading. Not bad. Okay, and that's where you want it to be. You don't need that, you know, dial to be on the pin to be in the yellow segment. You definitely don't want it to be in the red zone. Okay, you don't want to swing that pin, the gauge, too far into the. You don't want it in the yellow. You want it in the green. That's the whole idea. And it'll swing back and forth so long as the compressor is working. And it'll go up and down. And that's fine. That's where you want it to be. If you overfill the system, you might fail to move the refrigerant within the pipeline. And you will not have any cool air in your car. Okay? In your cabinet. Okay? You will not feel the effect, the AC effect, if you overfill your car, and you can cause problems, damages to your AC system, let alone every other, you know, component in the car, because the AC system relies on that pulley system to work. And that is very important. If you don't have that belt spinning fine, you will fail to charge the battery. Now you cannot move. Okay, your car is dead. So I removed the spacer right at the neck. Okay, I removed the spacer, screwed on the gauge. There we go. And now we're going to attach it. Always keep the canister upright like that. That's 12 o'clock. After 15 seconds of pumping, using that trigger right there, you can shake it a little to 3 o'clock. That's 3 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock. Okay, you always want to leave it like that. Once in a while, shaky, shaky to 3 p.m. Okay, let's do that. Snap. And let's see what we got. We're going to pump some. If that needle does not move, never underestimate the power of that trigger. You could be pumping refrigerant into the system and not see it because your needle is not moving. And why is that? Your compressor could be damaged. So don't underestimate. If you don't see anything move, you got problems with your compressor system. Okay? Write down that. Okay, let's try this. Just to show you how to pump refrigerant into your car. You don't want that needle in the yellow zone, and definitely not in the red, because you overfilled your system if you are in that zone. That's too much. You want it right where it is right now, and it keeps going back and forth within the between 25 and 50, which is the green. It says filled, as you can see. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna let off some, pump some in. Okay. See? Okay, I already pumped in some. You see that needle moved up. Okay. Try a little bit more. Pump. And that'll be enough. It takes a while for that needle to swing, so don't be fooled now. You gotta give it some time to do what it does. Make sure it reconciles the amount you put in and before it reflects on the reading, okay? It takes a while, so don't keep adding more, or you are gonna have to release some, and that is against the law because you cause global warming, okay? This refrigerant affects the ozone layer, okay? If you let off into the atmosphere, it interferes with the ozone layer, and we have too much heat in the world because of this. Okay, so you don't want to put in too much, and then you're going to have to release some into the air. Thank you.